Okay guys, today we're continuing solving two-step equations. Today we're just going to do a different piece of it. So we are going to determine if the given value makes the equation true. So what we're going to do is substitute the variable with the given value and then evaluate. So basically this is what we did the other day when we were plugging in our answer to check and make sure it was correct. So we're going to take each of these k values, we have -7, 17, and 27, and plug it in for k and see which k value makes the statement true. So here we go. We'll start with -7. Oopsies. So we have 3 times -7 plus 15. And we want to see if this makes it equal to 66. So 3 times -7, 3 times 7 is 21. Positive times a negative is a negative, right? We're going to use our tic-tac-toe. Plus, 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 minus, 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 minus. So I had a positive here times a negative. So my answer here is a negative. So -21 plus 15. So when I'm adding negative numbers, same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. So 21 minus 15 is 6. And I keep the sign of the bigger number. So -21 is bigger. So -6. And we want to see if that's equal to positive 66. Well, that's not equal. So k is not equal to -7. All right, let's try the second one. So we want to plug in 17. So 3 times 17 plus 15. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and do 3 times 17. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So here I have 55 plus 15. Oops, I don't know why I put 55. Crazy. Okay. Okay, 51 plus 15. So let me go ahead and add 51 plus 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 66 is equal to 66. Yes, that's correct. I'm going to go ahead and just plug in the next one to show you how you should do it as well. All right, I went ahead and finished the work on that one. So 3 times 27 this time plus 15. So 3 times 27 was 81 plus 15 gave me 96. So our answer on this one is that k equals 17. All right, so value of k that makes this equation true is 17. All right, let's keep going and give it another try with our second example. So again, I'm going to take this p-value here, each of these three, and I'm going to plug them in for p up here. All right, so let's start out with, we have -72 over 9 minus 5. Well, 72 divided by 9, I know that's 7 plus 2 is 9, so divisible by 9, it's 8. Negative divided by a positive equals a negative, so -8 minus 5. Well, you can't do subtraction with negatives, so you have to add the opposite, right? Boom, boom. Same sign, add and keep. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Keep the sign, and we want to see, is that equal to 7? No. All right, let's try the next one. So now we have 18 over 9 minus 5. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 2 minus 5. That's bigger, so I'm going to add the opposite. Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Keep the sign of the bigger number, so -3 equals 7. That's not true either. So let's hope this one is over here. I'm going to plug it in. So 108 divided by 9 minus 5. I do the division. Let's see, 9 goes into 10 once. So 9, subtract 10 minus 9 is 1, 18. 12 times, or 2 times 9 is 18. So it's 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. That's equal to 7. Yes, that's true. So my answer here is going to be BP equals 108. So make sure that you're doing your order of operations, right? So you always have to divide before you add or subtract. So yesterday we were doing the opposite. When we were solving for x, we added and subtracted first and then multiplied and divided. And now we're back to our GEMDAS or our PEMDAS, making sure that we're doing groupings, exponents, multiplication and division, and then adding and subtracting. So 108. All right. Let's go ahead and do the last one. I'm going to help you guys set each one up, and I want you to solve it. So all we're doing is plugging, oh, it says P, but we're plugging it in here for our variable. So we want to do 15.5 times 2.7 minus 13.9. And look here, the only difference in this situation is going to be the sign. So I'm going to go ahead over here, 15 point, oops, sorry. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, I'm going to go over here. I need 15.5 times 2.7. 5 times 7 is 35. 35. 6 through 7, 38. 7, 10, 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 10, 11. 2, 3. 5, 8, 1, 4. 1, 2 numbers to the right of the decimal. So 4184. So over here, I have 4184. I'm subtracting 13.9. So is my answer going to be positive or negative? If I have a big number minus a small number, it's going to be positive, right? So that can't be our answer. But I'm going to go ahead and subtract just to have an answer for us. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1, 0, we have to borrow. 9 is 18. 0, 3, 10, 7, 2. So 27.94 is not equal to negative 55.75. All right, so excuse me, let's hope that our negative version, so positive times a negative, when we multiply, the only difference now is that it's going to be negative. So now we have negative 4184 minus 13.9. Well, you can't subtract with negatives, so you have to add the opposite. So that means this time I need to add them. So I'm going to do 41.84 plus 13, oops, line up your decimal, 0.9. 4, 9 plus 8 is 17. 3, 4, 5. 5570. Oops, I wrote it 4 over here and it should be 5. Wow, I was making mistakes, huh? Hopefully y'all caught it before I did. And you've been calling me out on it, huh? Okay. So that should be a 5, that should be a 5. Wow, all over the place. Okay, so anyways, now that I fixed all those 5s, it's negative, right? Same sign, add and keep, so 55.75. And yes, that is equal to the amount, so check. So our value is negative 2.7. So basically today what I need you to take away is understanding how to just plug in a number for the variable to either check and see if the answer is correct that they give you, or to verify that the answer that you found or what you solved for x4 is accurate. All right, good job, guys. And have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Enjoy the Super Bowl.